tiny brother dog, the mommy pig, and the daddy pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Peppa dog, mommy and daddy grow having girlfriend. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and dog can go into the garden to play. Mommy, please, can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your boyfriend. Don't drink your juice too quickly. Hiccup. Don't drink high juice too quickly, and now he has the hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? Now Grace dog has the hiccups. But dog hiccups have a gold. Mommy have a day dog. Hiccup. Oh, alright. You can go out and play. But look at the dog. Peppa and dog love playing in the dog and gonna throw the ball. And then you have to catch it. Hiccups. Dog, they drop hiccup. Hiccup, dog. Now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. Hiccups. Dog, oh dear. Dog hiccup as spoiling the game. Dog, I know how to catch hiccup. You have to do what I said. Hiccup. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good, now your hiccups have gone. Hiccup. Peppa Craft care for hiccups. Your head seem to have a grown. Dog is done is grown. I know a better way to show hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, rub your arms up and down. And stick your toe out. And now close your eyes and turn around quickly. 3 times. Peppa's new curl hasn't grown as they. Dogs change hair curl. I know to curl curl. Hiccups. The in piggy must be give a shot. Doll, I'm going to scare you, but you must repeat.
Remember.
Remember, it's only a game.